Thoughts on all raw versus the blue zones? They eat whole grains and cooked veggies and live to 100. Okay, so again, I know my thoughts on that are this. Sadly, when if you go to Okinawa now, it's not like it was. If you go to Abkhazia in Georgia, which used to be part of Soviet Russia. I mean, these guys were living 130, 140. A lot of what they ate was now they were up in the mountains and they didn't eat all raw, but they didn't eat a lot of cooked. Same with the Hunzas. It's sad what's happened. But all the blue zones have changed. They became famous. They became thing. You know, in Okinawa now they've got fast food. It's just changing. Unless you find the elders. Even you go to Vilcabamba. Vilcabamba was one of those, right, in Ecuador. I was there way back. I went way back. I've been looking at this stuff for a long time. I've been chasing the fountain of youth, chasing health for a long time. Anyway, way back when, but it's no longer that way, Vilcabamba. So all the blue zones, sadly, are not even blue zones anymore. I mean, they're not even, Japan still has, still living 10 years longer than us, but it won't for very long because most of the younger generations are now eating foods that, the Western food that's being spread around. When I say Western food, I mean, what I really mean is mostly is American. I got to point the finger at America. I mean, McDonald's came out of America. Burger King came out of America. KFC came out of America. Pizza Hut came out of America. Okay, I know jazz did too, and it's fantastic. And I know rock and roll was big time. But I mean, all the fast food junk, all that stuff originated in America. And somehow it became really popular and got exported worldwide. And everywhere I go, I see these things, So anyway, so that's what's happening with the blue zones.